Okay, this is a technique we're using in our additional mathematics. Also, it's A-star level at GCSE. We're going to find the equation of a line AB given only two coordinate points. Now, it's a straight line, but you're not supposed to draw a graph for this. So I'm going to show you a method of doing it without putting a graph down. So the first thing we're going to do is, it's a straight line, so we know that we should have y equals mx plus c. That's the equation of a straight line. What I'm then going to do with that is work out what m is, the gradient. Now, if you remember correctly, the gradient is the change in the y coordinate, that means how far up or down it's going, divided by the change x. So here we go with that one. We're looking at these, the y coordinates. The highest one is 1, the lowest is 0. So if we have 1 minus 0 on the top, that's the change in y. Then we compare the x coordinates, 3 take 2. We can now find the gradient. 1 minus 0 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. We have a gradient of 1. So I'm going to substitute that back into my formula. Y equals 1x plus c. Obviously, because it's 1x, we can now ignore that 1 there, and we have y equals x plus c. The only thing left to find now is c. Thankfully, we've got some x and y values. Doesn't matter which set of coordinates I use, I'm going to go for the coordinate a. So I'm going to substitute in the y value of 0, my x value of 2, and we still don't know what c is. We now have a small equation, and it's obvious to see that c equals minus 2. From that we can substitute the minus 2 into the y equals mx plus c, or in this case y equals x plus c, and our final equation is y equals x minus 2. There we have the equation of the line. Second example, a is minus 3, minus 11, b is 2, 4. First of all, work out the gradient. Well, the gradient will be the change in y. So we've got 4 minus 11, y coordinate, take that y coordinate, over the x coordinate, take away the first y coordinate. Working this out, 4 minus 11 is 15, and 2 minus 3 is 5, giving me a gradient of 3. Once I've got the gradient of 3, I'm going to substitute it into the formula, or the equation, y equals 3x plus c. I'm going to use my x and y values. I'm going to go for my easier coordinates, one without negatives in, so I'm going to go for b. Y is worth 4, so that's 4 equals 3 times 2 plus c. Working that out, I get 4 equals 6 plus c. This implies that c is minus 2. So I know my gradient was 3, I know my c value is minus 2, so my final answer would be y equals 3x minus 2.